A coin is tossed 3 times. An outcome is represented by a string of the sort HTT, meaning a head on the first toss, followed by 2 tails. So that's what HTT would mean with this shorthand notation. The 8 outcomes are listed in the table below. Note that each outcome has the same probability. For each of the 3 events in the table, check the outcomes that are contained in the event. Then, in the last column, enter the probability of the event. So all that means is that we have to take a close look at each event and its description. So this one is 2 or more tails. So basically, any notation that has 2 T's in it, at least, or more, is a notation that we have to check off. So 2 or more tails. The first one is 3 tails, so we're going to include that one. The second one only has 1 tail, so we do not include that. So we skip over to HTT, since there's 2 tails there. Skip down to THT and TTH. All right, so that's going to be 4 outcomes out of, let's count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No surprise. So 4 out of 8 outcomes have 2 or more tails, 4 out of 8. And so we can use that as our probability, or just write 1/2 as our simplified probability, or even 50%. Any of those are acceptable. Let's go down to let me leave it. Let's go down to event B now, and we'll use green highlight for that. This is a tail on both the first and the last tosses. So that includes the first one, TTTT, or just TTT. Does not include the second, doesn't include the third, because we have a heads on the first. Same with the fourth, there's a heads on the first. HHH, no good. THH, no good. Again, we need a tail on the first and the last toss. So this works, THT. And it doesn't work in the last one, so that's 2 out of 8, otherwise known as 1/4 or 25%. So you can put 25% or 1/4 in there, or even 2 out of 8. And finally, we'll highlight in blue event C, more tails than heads. So all we got to do is look for 2 T's, and we'll include that. So this one here. And so that's 4 out of 8. Again, so that's 1/2. And this is how you respond to these questions.